Hello little learners, welcome to our channel. Today we have a fun and exciting English quiz all about prepositions. Are you ready to test your English grammar skills and learn new words? Watch the video, choose the correct answers and let's have some learning fun together. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing educational videos. Let's get started. The book is dash the table. Answer is on. The book is on the table. The cat is hiding dash the chair. Under. The cat is hiding under the chair. The apples are dash the basket. In. The apples are in the basket. The boy is standing dash the door. In front of. The boy is standing in front of the door. The sun is shining dash the sky. In. The sun is shining in the sky. The ball is dash the box. In. The ball is in the box. The dog is sleeping dash the bed. Under. The dog is sleeping under the bed. The bird is flying dash the tree. Over. The bird is flying over the tree. She is sitting dash the chair. Answer is on. She is sitting on the chair. The clock is hanging dash the wall. Answer is on. The clock is hanging on the wall. The children are playing dash the park. Answer is in. The children are playing in the park. There is a picture dash the wall. On. There is a picture on the wall. The keys are dash the table. Answer is on. The keys are on the table. The school is dash the hospital and the bank. Between. The school is between the hospital and the bank. The books are dash the shelf. Answer is on. The books are on the shelf. The flowers are dash the vase. In. The flowers are in the vase. The birds are sitting dash the tree. On. The birds are sitting on the tree. The boy is hiding dash the door. Behind. The boy is hiding behind the door. The stars are shining dash the sky. In. The stars are shining in the sky. The school is dash my house. Near. The school is near my house. The ball is rolling dash the floor. On. The ball is rolling on the floor. There is water dash the bottle. In. There is water in the bottle. The pencil is dash the book. Under. The pencil is under the book. The train is moving dash the tunnel. Through. The train is moving through the tunnel. The frog jumped dash the pond. In. The frog jumped in the pond. The dog ran the street. The dog ran across the street. The plane is flying dash the clouds. Above. The plane is flying above the clouds. The lamp is dash the table. On. The lamp is on the table. The ice cream is melting dash the sun. Under. The ice cream is melting under the sun. The cat jumped dash the fence. Over. The cat jumped over the fence. The child is looking dash the window. Out of. The child is looking out of the window. The food is kept dash the refrigerator. In. The food is kept in the refrigerator. The pencil is lying dash the desk. On. The pencil is lying on the desk. The rabbit is sitting dash the grass. On. The rabbit is sitting on the grass. The boy is walking dash the river. Along. The boy is walking along the river. The moon is shining dash the sea. Over. The moon is shining over the sea. The teacher is standing dash the blackboard. The teacher is standing in front of the blackboard. The shoes are dash the bed. Under. The shoes are under the bed. The birds are flying dash the roof. Over. The birds are flying over the roof. The car is parked dash the garage. In. The car is parked in the garage. The bus stopped dash the school. At. The bus stopped at the school. The sun is setting dash the hills. Behind. The sun is setting behind the hills. The cow is grazing dash the field. In. The cow is grazing in the field. The baby is sitting dash her mother. Beside. The baby is sitting beside her mother. The cake is placed dash the table. On. The cake is placed on the table. The pen is kept dash the drawer. In. The pen is kept in the drawer. The birds are chirping dash the morning. In. The birds are chirping in the morning. The dog is barking dash the stranger. At. The dog is barking at the stranger. The fish are swimming dash the water. In. The fish are swimming in the water. The stars twinkle dash the night sky. In. The stars twinkle in the night sky. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more educational content.